morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the time you're watching this video. And our today's topic is factors affecting soil formation. So in this video we are going to discuss about those factors which are affecting the soil formation, means which are accelerating or which are de-accelerating the speed of the formation of soil. So here we are going to start this. Each type of soil has its own characteristics and its own range of soil products. So each soil has differences. The formation of soil is influenced by various factors. So there are various factors which affect the soil formation. First of them, parent material. The composition and texture of a soil depends on the parent material. What is parent material? The parent material, the meaning of parent material is from which the soil is formed. So जो composition है parent material की और texture जो है उसका, उस पर डिपेंड करता है soil जो है कैसी होगी. Parent material may be rock broken down on the spot by weathering. So parent material can be weathered rocks on the spot. It may also be material such as river alluvium, glacial and wind-blown sediment, volcanic ash, etc. So it can be material such as river alluvium, glacial and wind-blown sediment, volcanic ash can be there. Not only weathered material of rocks. So this material can be transported from elsewhere by agents of. Usually soils formed from dark colored rocks are rich in iron compound. The soils which formed due to dark colored rocks are rich in iron compound, while light colored rocks produce soils containing fewer iron compounds. Which soils have light color? Those contain very low compound of iron. Again, granitic rocks usually produce coarse soil. The rocks which are granitic, those produce coarse soil with large grains. So large grains can be there. Large grains जिनको आप बोलते हैं मोटे मोटे जो होते हैं ना डलियों जैसे, वैसे. These soils let water seep through easily. ऐसी rocks होती हैं. ये rocks water को जो है easily आगे पास होने देती हैं. Basaltic rocks produce fine soils with small grains. These soils hold water for a longer time. So these type of rocks, those hold water for long time. Further is climate. Climate influences soil formation mainly through the action of temperature, moisture and wind. In this, climate influences the soil formation. So some factors are there in climate, which are the parts of climate are the temperature, moisture and wind. Moisture and higher temperatures quicken the chemical reaction involved in soil formation. Therefore, in the warm, wet low latitudes, thick and well developed soils are quite common. So here the moisture with and higher temperature, these two quicken the chemical reaction involved in soil formation. So these two, moisture and temperature, enhances and fasten the chemical reaction which is necessary for soil formation. Therefore, in the warm, wet, low latitude, thick and well-developed soils are quite common. In warm areas, wet and low latitude areas, the well-developed soils are quite common. The moisture content of soil is influenced largely by the amounts of precipitation and evaporation. So moisture content जो होता है और soil होती है, उसको लार्जली जो अमाउंट है प्रेसिपिटेशन की या एवापोरेशन की वो भी इफेक्ट करती है. Wind action in some places helps in soil formation by depositing sediments that may become parent material of soil. Again, in areas of sparse vegetation, wind action may also remove soil. In this wind action, which is helpful for the soil formation, it deposits sediments from one place to another place, or it can be responsible for parent material deposition also. Again, in areas of sparse vegetation, wind action may also remove soil. Next factor is topography. The topography or physical feature, especially slope. First of all, in topography we are going to talk about slope of the land. The slope influences the amount of heat and moisture at a place. तो slope जो है वो influence करती है heat और moisture को. It thus affects soil formation. Plains which usually receive a lot of heat and allow moisture to collect are ideal location for the formation of soil. So in this, if further is plains which usually receive a lot of heat and allow moisture. प्लेन्स जो हैं जिनमें ज़्यादा हीट होती है और मॉइस्चर को कलेक्ट करने को अलाउ करते हैं, मींस वो जो मॉइस्चर है वहाँ पे ज़्यादा कलेक्ट होता है. दीज आर आल्सो आइडियल लोकेशंस फॉर द सॉइल फॉर्मेशन. हिल स्लाइड्स. थर्ड वन इज हिल स्लाइड. ऑन द contrary may have relatively thin soil as water and soil forming sediments run quickly down the slope. So hill slides में क्या होता है कि वेरी थिन सॉयल लेयर हो सकती है, क्योंकि जो वाटर है जहाँ सॉयल फॉर्मिंग सेडिमेंट्स हैं वो क्विकली रन कर जाते हैं स्लोप से. सॉयल फॉर्मेशन इज़ फर्दर हैम्पर्ड इफ द हिल स्लाइड फेसेस अवे फ्रॉम द सन एंड रिसीव्स लिटिल हीट. अगर जो स्लोप है वो सूरज की ओर ना हो, सूरज से दूसरी ओर हो, तो उसमें क्या हो सकता है, उसकी जो है सॉयल फॉर्मेशन है वो रुक सकता है. Organisms, the vegetation that grows on soil and the organisms that live in the soil add humus to the soil. So the vegetation that grows on soil and organisms that live on soil add humus to the vegetation. तो ये जो दोनों ही हैं ये ह्यूमस ऐड करते हैं अर्थ में और सॉयल फॉर्मेशन में. Soil rich in humus are very fertile, burrowing by animals. जो burrowing animals होते हैं जैसे earthworms हैं, ants हैं, termites हैं, expose soil particles to weathering. तो ये उसको जो soil particle है उनको expose कर देते हैं, means उनके सामने ला देते हैं जो agents हैं. Which aids soil formation. It also helps air to reach the roots of the plant. So due to this, air also becomes easy to reach the roots of the plant. Next one, time. In general, the process of soil formation takes long time. However, the time taken for soil formation varies under varying conditions. For example, soil formation takes place more rapidly in tropical climates than in colder climates. In this, in general, what we are going to understand, the process of soil formation takes a long time, because time is the most important factor in this. The time taken for soil formation varies under varying conditions. The soil formation and time taken, it also varies because there are varying conditions. For example, soil formation takes place more rapidly in tropical climates than in colder climates. So this is the difference here. Colder climates जो हैं उनके मुकाबले जो हैं ट्रॉपिकल क्लाइमेट वाले जो एरियाज़ हैं वहाँ पे सॉयल फॉर्मेशन ज़्यादा जल्दी होती है. सो आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. मिलते हैं जल्द अगली वीडियो लेके. तब तक के लिए आप सभी को नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल.